This is my 3-cheese grilled cheese waffle. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. At the bottom of the barrel, the apparel seems different. Clouded visions, I find myself blinded by the prism of the world's light. But I can see past the blight, these are blemishes in small sights. The overall picture bigger than us, but in this world we trust. Materials we lust is still what? I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. The flash from the bright lights and cars high. These things make you feel good to have them. And these things are like women, there's always one somewhere. Better keep your eyes on the prize and focus on the rise of the skies. Cause the clock ticking, time don't rewind. I stay in the cockpit with my eyes open wide. Cause I can't take none of this when it's time for me to die. I thank God I'm alive, I resurrected myself musically so you can see that I arrived. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Make me feel so great, make me feel so great, yeah. I just wanna be a superstar, yeah. I just wanna drive a fancy car, yeah. Put them diamonds in my chain. Put them diamonds in my chain, won't take the pain away. It's not my ego that helped me move the needle. I'm on top now, bitch, I'm like the steeple. Church, please come pray for me.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, this right here is the finished product. I call this my 3-cheese grilled cheese waffle. And it has your monster cheese, your Swiss cheese, and your mozzarella cheese packed with bacon and tomato. And as you can see, it looks amazing. Oh, and can't forget your ham. I have ham up in there as well. And back here, you have just your standard one. And as you can see, that piece right there broke off. But you have your standard one, your 3 cheese with just ham, in case you don't want to have bacon and tomato. And of course on the side you have your OJ. What is breakfast without OJ? So here you go, folks. This is my finished product. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you do, please do like and subscribe to the Kool Zone. Leave a comment below. Appreciate it. Love you all. Kool Zone out.
I just wanna be a superstar. I wanna be a superstar. I just wanna be a superstar. I wanna be a superstar. I just wanna drive a fancy car.